Welcome back to this fantastic opportunity. I'm super excited about this particular property I am bringing your way right now. Look at the environment. Look at that. There's an estate there, a mini fantastic duplex only estate down there. You can see that. Along this road, easy access road. You can see the access road, right? And look at houses. Look at very fantastic environment. This is also sitting in the heart of town, just behind IMSU Backgate, along after Bishop's Court, right? Within the environment, and is in a layout called Unity Layout. You can see houses around, places are numbered. This is the opportunity I'm bringing your way, just beside that massive mansion down there. See the massive mansion, right? So this is a 3 plots of land. Each plot is about 465 square meters. And this is the gate, perimeter fencing. Look at this. Boom! Gate house. 2 rooms gate house with kitchen, toilet, bedroom. You can see that. You can see that sitting right here. Forgive the bush. It's rainy season anyways. So you can see this properly built, very spacious property. Let me just do this. I don't know, you can't see it clearly, but it's a 3 plots perimeter fencing. You can see just beside it there is a mansion. You can see that just beside it. All right, this is a very sweet deal. This is a very sweet deal. When I tell you the price, you know why I said that this is a very sweet deal. But look at the environment. I want you to just take a look at the environment. Look at a lot of houses. People have built, it's a built up environment, all right, right in the heart of town. I'll put the map location of this place so you can see it. All right, fenced, gatehouse done, and everything. Look at the road, proper access road, no potholes. Right, sitting right in this heart of Owerri, just behind IMSU Backgate, close to Orji, somewhere close to Orata too. This is in a layout called Unity Layout. Okay, built up environment, houses everywhere. It's a 3 plots of land, all right, and you can see the environment built up, houses everywhere, all right. There's a mini estate there, and a few minutes drive from IMSU. Just a few minutes, like a 10 minutes drive from IMSU. So call me now on 00967376668. So we can book an inspection. On our way out of here, I will just do a video out so that you can appreciate the environment very well. You can appreciate the environment. Imo State. And my name is Anozie. I am your favorite realtor. All right. My goal is to bring you fantastic deals like this within the Southeast and in Nigeria generally. Today, we're in Owerri, in Imo State, and you don't want to miss this deal. Call for a free inspection. If you're not in the country, you can send your person. We'll bring the person here, confirms for you, and take pictures and everything and send to you. And I think it's even a giveaway. It's a steal. So call me now, because this property will not be here for so long. It has a registered survey and a power of attorney. Registered survey, power of attorney. This property is owned by Jodora Estate. The owners of Jodora Estate, the developers at Jodora Estate, own this particular property. They also own a 4 plots of land somewhere within this environment too, but that one is inside. It's quite inside. All right, I'll do a video. I'll put it up on that eye icon down there so you can take a look at that as well. All right, so enjoy a fantastic day. I'm waiting for your call. You call me and let us transact. Beautiful environment. Enjoy a good day.